I'm not discouraging anyone, guys. I'm telling the truth and it is a reality. It is then I can speak in English. Then I can learn English. If you are thinking like that, now you are not putting your efforts to speak in English. How you can expect that I want to speak in English? Know it, but you are not accepting that reality. Why, guys? I said the reality to my viewers or else subscribers because that is my responsibility, right? In this video, I'm going to talk about that many people ask me that how many days it will take time to be fluent in English. And also, is it really possible to speak in English in a week or in a day or within a month? Is it really possible? So, I'm going to discuss about these questions in this video. So, please watch the video till the end and I'm going to give a real answer. But before that, if you guys are new over here, welcome to my channel and I'm Sarla. So, can we become a fluent English speaker within a day or within a span of a week or a month? Is it really possible? If you ask this question to me and I said absolutely no, and it's not going to be possible. I'm not discouraging anyone, guys. I'm telling the truth and it is a reality. It is not going to be possible to be fluent in English within span of a day or week or a month. It's not going to be possible. Okay, it is the reality because I'm talking about myself when I'm learning this language and I'm starting this journey. I'm not expecting that I have to speak this language in a month, and I definitely speak this language within a year. Never ever think about it. So why are you thinking like this? Don't think about the result without starting your English journey. Just you have to ask that question, why I want to learn. You are learning this language for interview purpose or else for if you want to go to abroad, whatever reason it may be. Okay, so don't take it as a burden. That is the thing I want to tell you, that don't take it as a burden. You have to learn this language in a very easy manner and also very funny manner. If you are putting that much of efforts and burden on your shoulder, it is not going to be possible, right? So you might be that I want to get a job, that's why I want to learn this language. If you are thinking like that, okay, if you are cracking your job and getting a job, so then you have to learn English because nowadays you have to speak with the clients and also you can speak with your colleagues in English. For that also you have to speak in English, you have to learn English, right? You might say that then I can speak in English, then I can learn English. If you are thinking like that, now you are not putting your efforts to speak in English. How you can expect that I want to speak in English after getting job, right? So you have to utilize this time to learn English, to speak English. Okay, so for example, if you are sowing any seed and if you are expecting that become a tree within a day, is it really possible? It doesn't possible, guys, because if tree grows and need some things that sunlight, water and also caring, right? In the same manner, if you are learning English, there is some process, guys. You have to learn every single day. And I would say that English is never ending journey and you have to learn something new every single day, because this is my experience that it is not going to be possible to speak in English within a day. And I saw so many videos and so many people are telling you that you can speak in English within 30 days. You can become fluent in English within a day and within a month. Is it really possible? Just ask yourself. It doesn't possible. You know it, but you are not accepting that reality. Why, guys? I'm not blaming anyone. If you are decided that I want to speak in English, you definitely speak. And you have that dedication and passion and you have that hunger to learn this language, then only you can speak it. You might ask me that is this really not possible to be fluent in English in a year or in a month? If you ask me that, I can say their interest, because some people are like they can learn this language very fastly. Some people are learn anything very slowly. So it depends on their mentality, right? If someone is learning and speaking English very fluently and very fastly, means they are putting a lot of efforts. Every single day they are speaking in English, they are practicing their English. That's why they are able to speak. But I'm not talking about who are slow at the process of speaking in English. They are not putting efforts. Of course, they are also putting efforts, but I'm not discouraging anyone that you have to learn slowly. Okay, you have to learn every single day, and you have to know your mistakes and rectify your mistakes and improve your English. If you are doing like this very slow manner, and you definitely never ever forgot this language. I definitely say this, because if you are learning very fast anything, you definitely forgot very fast. This is the truth. If you are learning for any working purpose or any interview purpose, within a month you putting a lot of efforts and learn this language and speak for interview purpose, so I definitely say that you definitely forgot it. This is the hard reality. And what I'm trying to say is that when you are speaking in English, speak in a natural manner, and also don't think about result. Okay? So don't think about result. What happened if you are speaking this language within a year? It's definitely possible. You can speak this language within 6 months. One day you definitely speak in English, right? So then why are you thinking about results, right? So I'm telling you that you have to work on your speaking skills, and you need definitely dedication, guys. Dedication is really important. Not only consistency but also dedication. Okay. And one more thing I want to tell you, not only speaking, not only reading, not only listening, but also you have to train your brain and also tell to your subconscious mind, I want to speak in English. And you have to train every single day. Okay. What I'm telling you is that just enjoy the process. Okay. So just enjoy it while you are speaking. Don't put negative thoughts in your brain. Okay. And one more thing I want to discuss, when somebody listens some motivational speeches and some TED talks, they got inspired and they thought that I have to learn this language anywhere, and anyway whatever happens is happens, I want to learn this language from today onwards. They are so much excited and interested on that language, and they have started to learn very fastly, and 1 month they are putting lot of dedication and efforts, but after 1 month they just leave it. So this is the reality that I did it in my past. I got inspired lot of times from lot of videos. I thought that I have to learn anywhere, and I got that much of fire on that time when I watched motivational speeches, and after 1 month, okay, leave it. Okay, just I forgot it, right? So it happens for everyone, right? So they got inspired from anyone, but they are putting that much of efforts to learn it, but after some days or some time, they just give up. So what I'm telling you is that don't give up, guys. When you are speaking or when you want to become fluent in English speaker, you definitely be dedicated and be consistent in this language and be patient. Patience is really, really important. So when you are learning this language, you face a lot of problems and you have to get out of from your comfort zone and you have to speak this language. Let me just tell you one thing, that when you are speaking and learning in English, just be it like a simple. Okay, so because this is my experience, that whenever I speak in English, I'll just speak in a natural manner and also use simple words. And I'm not, of course in the future maybe I have to learn advanced words or fancy words, but for now I'm very comfortable while I'm speaking in a very simple manner. I would suggest you that it's better to speak in a simple way when if you are a beginner. Some people are thinking that if we speak advanced words or fancy words, then we are very fluent in English. If you are feel like that, no. When you are speaking in English in a simple manner is also a good way to express yourself. Because what I'm trying to telling you is that when you are speaking, you are using advanced words or fancy words, it doesn't matter, right? Whatever thoughts you are conveying to the other person, that is the only thing. Okay, so that is the only thing is a matter. The other person is understanding your words or not, and your clarity is really, really important when you are speaking with someone else. Okay, so just you have to focus on it. And I'm not telling you that don't learn advanced words or fancy words. Of course you have to learn while you are speaking. In the process of advanced stage, you have to learn. Okay, so in the intermediate stage or else at beginner, it is better to be it like a simple. Don't think about these kind of questions, that how many days it will take time to be fluent in English and we can speak in English within a day or within a month. It doesn't possible and it doesn't happen. Okay, I definitely said the reality to my viewers or else subscribers, because that is my responsibility, right? So you have to, but you might ask me that, oh my god, if we are not to be fluent in English within a month, what we can do? Don't think like that, guys. What happened? You can speak in English within a year. You can speak this language within 2 years. It doesn't matter, right? You're learning. Okay, so step by step you are learning and improving yourself. And if you are learning like this, you definitely never ever forgot this language, and you have command over this language. Okay, and I'm saying you that whenever I speak this language, I never ever study this language. I just enjoy the process. What I'm telling you is that, guys, don't study the language. Just live in this language and enjoy the process. Okay, you definitely speak this language one day. You have to wait for that one day, and you have to put your dedication, efforts, and maintain the consistency and train your subconscious mind. And you have to be like a very simple and also speak in English. Okay, and grab the opportunity whenever you get a chance to speak in English. Just grab the opportunity and speak in English, and don't think about the mistakes. Okay, this is all about today's video, guys, and I think this video was helpful. And if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. And I have a question for you guys, that is, what is stopping you from speaking in English? What is holding you back? So tell me in the form of comments, and if possible I will make a video on it, or I will reply for your comment. Okay, so this is all about today's video, and if you like the video, you know what you have to do. Hit the like button and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll catch you guys in another video. Till then, take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon.